Hello children, I am going to teach you loops in Python today. Loops, whatever be the programming language, we are using loops to continuously do some action. In the Python also, we are using loops. There are two types of loops are there in the Python. They are for loop and while loop. For loop and while loop. Here, for loop is basically called counting loop. Suppose there are so many practical examples for the for loop in daily life. Suppose your PT sir is asking to run 10 times of rounds in the ground. If you have to go back from the PT ground, you have to complete the 10 rounds. So here you are counting. There will be a counter for you. That's a count from 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 10. Okay. When the counter reaches the value 10, the condition is over. So that time you can finish your running. Like another example, you are making chapatis in the kitchen. Your mom is making chapatis in the kitchen. If there is dough is available, the chapati, the batter for making the chapati is available, she will make the chapatis. Your mom will make the chapatis. So the chapatis will be there as soon as the batter is available. Like that, we can count many examples. We can point out many examples in the real life. Here, while learning the Python, we are having a range function. While learning the for loop, we are having a special function called range function. Okay, range having three values are there, that is lower bound, upper bound and step. Lower bound means the lowest value from which the counter starts, and upper bound is the maximum value, and step means the interval. I will show you some practical examples for the Python today. For some practical examples for the program. Okay. See, the first I will show you how to print the numbers from 1 to 10. How to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. So see, suppose I am going to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So I am writing for I in range 1 comma 10. So I am going to print the numbers from 1 to 10. I am giving the ranges 1 comma 10. Here I have to give the colon. Then I am giving the statement as print I. Just run the program. You can find out. See, 10 times. Printing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 times are there, but 10 is not included. 10 is not included here because 10 is the upper bound. 10 is not included because 10 is the upper bound. Okay, if you have to include the 10, you have to give here 11. See, run the program again and you can find out 10 is included. Okay, see, 10 is included. And also that here we are giving that the last step is missing. Upper bound, sorry, lower bound, upper bound and step. Step is missing. If step is missing, one is taken as the step. If I give the step, interval will be there plus 2 like that. See here, 1 plus 2, 3 will be printed. And 3 plus 2, 5 will be printed like that. So if we will run the program and we'll check what output is coming here. See, the output is coming here like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it is taken from the 1 and incremented by 2. Okay. See, I will give you one question. You have to answer it. See here, find the correct code snippet to generate the following numbers. Okay. Here the snippet is, you have to write the snippet. Here the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See the sequence start with 2. We can check for the sequence. Here B start with 2 and C start with 2, D start with 2. But we have to include 10. The B is 11 is included, but step is given as 1, so we can avoid that. The option C, 11 is included, so 10 will come, and step is given as 2, so we can consider the option C. But in the D, we can avoid it because 10 is included, but as per the code snippet D, 10 will not come. So option C is the correct answer. Then I will show you one more example to find sum of n numbers. Okay, sum of n numbers. For that, I have to accept the n. And accept the n as n is equal to int input enter number. Okay, int input enter number. So our range will be, we are having the get n, so we will n, so we will start with 0, 0 comma n. If you have to include n, we can give n plus 1. I am not including n, so I am giving simply n. Then I'm going to find out the sum of numbers. So sum plus equal to sum plus equal to I. So I have to print the sum. So I'm writing print sum. So the sum will be printed. Run the program, run module. See here, enter the number I am giving as 15. So there is some error are there. Sum plus equal to, whenever we have to initialize, that some value should be initialized as 0. That was the error. I'm giving the number as 15. See, 105 is the answer. So the sum is calculated as counting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that up to 15. We got the sum as 105. I can give the step also 2. So it will sum only even numbers like 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus like that will be counted. Run the module and I'm getting the output. I'm giving same number, I'm giving 15. I'm giving and I got the output as 56. Okay, so this is the programming looping program. We can do a lot of programs using for loop, like you can print the pattern, you can print the sum of even numbers, odd numbers, so many programs you can do with this. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.